Welcome to music class! Yay! Woo! Yes, we are so excited because today we're going to start a new adventure here in music class. Let me introduce your music teachers. My name is Lila Flores, but I prefer to be called Lily. So from now on, you can call me just Lily. And I am going to be with you during these virtual sessions.
Hola a todos, me llamo Daniel Sánchez, voy a ser su nuevo profesor de música. Les voy a enseñar brass, les voy a enseñar trombón y trompeta. Espero que pasemos un muy buen rato aprendiendo y bueno, espero verlos a todos pronto. Saludos.
Hey guys, welcome to a new school year. My name is Miguel Rodriguez, but all of you can call me Chinchu. We can talk about that later. And I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm going to be one of your music teachers for this year. I hope we can all have a lot of fun together. We're going to learn a lot of things, and it's going to be a great year. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hola chicos, muchos de ustedes ya me conocen. Soy Luis Montes de Oca, uno de sus profesores de música. Gracias por recibirme en sus hogares.
Hola a todos, mi nombre es Daniel Ruiz. Yo voy a ser el nuevo profesor de batería y percusión en el colegio menor.
Hey guys, welcome to the first music class with Miguel of the year. Today what we're going to do is we're going to review the note figures, which all of you have already learned before in general music, but we're just going to have a little review so we can refresh some things. So first, we have the whole note and the whole rest. Okay, so the whole note looks like this. It's just a circle. And the whole rest is this little rectangle right here, which is just below the fourth line of the staff. Okay, if we count the lines, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right below, you put this little black rectangle, and that is called the whole rest. Why is it important? Where exactly on what line do you put it? You're going to see that later. So here we have the whole note and the whole rest. Both of them have a value, okay, and that value is 4 beats long. Okay, so the whole note lasts for 4 beats, and the whole rest is also lasting for 4 beats. Let's continue. We have here the half note and the half rest. Now the half note looks like this. It's a circle, but with that little stem. Okay, it can go down like here, or it can go up depending on where you put it on the staff. And this is the whole rest. Now, it's also a black rectangle, but it's different from the whole rest. Why? Because the whole rest goes below the fourth line. The half rest goes above the third line. It's very similar. Do not get confused. So it's very important that you know what the difference is between the whole rest and the half rest. As the whole rest and the whole rest and the whole note, these two also have a value, okay? And it's the same for both of them. Both are worth 2 beats, okay? Let's continue with the next figure. The next figure is the quarter note and the quarter rest. Now, the quarter notes look like this, okay? It's a black circle with the stem, okay? And the quarter rest, it's this little thing right here. Some people say it looks like a number 3. Some people say it looks like a lightning. Whatever thing you think it looks like, use it, okay? Because it's gonna help you recognize what the quarter rest actually is. And also they have a value. The value is 1 beat long. So each quarter note is 1 beat, and each quarter rest is 1 beat. Since we have here 2 quarter notes and 2 quarter rests, it's 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, and 4 beats in total. And let's continue with the last one we're going to review for today. We have the 8th note and the 8th rest. Now, they look very similar to the quarter note. except that this quarter it's also a black circle with the stem, but it has this little thing right here that it's called a flag. Okay, so that is the eighth note, and the eighth rest is this thing right here that looks like a number seven. Okay, so use that to remember. Now, what is this thing right here? Okay, so let me explain some things. First, the value is half a beat. Okay, the value is half of a beat. So here we have half of a beat, half of a beat, half, 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 and half. If we add all of them, it will come up to four. Okay, here we have the parts, okay, of the note. Okay, we have the note head, we have the stem, and we have the flag. Now when you put two eighth notes together, the flag goes away, and then we join both of them by this beam right here. Okay, now this can happen when you join two eighth notes, three, four, or more. Normally you will see it for two, three, and four. Okay, so if you join two or more eighth notes, you join them by this beam. Remember, the flag goes away, and it's the beam take its place to put both of them together. Okay, and here the same. Each one is going to be half a beat long. Okay, so those are the review of the notes: the whole note, the half note, the quarter note, and the, I don't know how to do it with my hands, but the eighth note is like a quarter note with the flag. Okay, and when you put two of them together with a beam. Okay, see you in class. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Daniel Ruiz, and I'm going to be your drum and percussion teacher. Today, we're going to talk about rhythm and tempo. So, what is rhythm in music? For this, we must understand that music moves between two elements. The first element is vertical. It's when we refer to pitch. Here we have high pitch sounds like this, and also we're going to have low pitch sounds like this. The second element is horizontal. It's when we refer to rhythm and tempo. This is the space we're going to maintain between each note. Now, let's try to understand this with an example. First, we're going to count to four. Each time will be represented with a step in a stair. Second, we're going to use quarter notes, which will be represented with footsteps. And third, we're going to use a click or metronome. This will give us a tempo. The tempo tells us the speed in which we will perform every step or note. So let's begin with 40 BPM. And one, and two, and three, and four, and one, and two, and three, and four. Very easy. Let's try 60 BPM. And one, and two, and three, and four, and one, and two, and three, and four. Okay, so every quarter note took one time or stair, a step in the stair. So with four quarter notes, we took the whole four times in the count. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time.